Okay, hello everybody, let's make this a relatively quick one. Reboxed, I believe, Hassegawa kit by Hobby 2000. The 303 Squadron, Polish Squadron of Hurricanes, as seen in the Battle of Britain, and as heroically flown in the Battle of Britain. Now, I'll show you the kit itself first. There's two little wrinkles I think I need to point out about it. It's a good kit, I'm sure. There's far worse kits than this out. You get, I'll show you what you get free with it afterwards. But with every Hobby 2000, he said it were wrong word then, Hobby 2000 kit, you've got some extras with it, so I'll show you those after. You've got a good set of wings, very recessed panel lines, they're all very good. Except, well, you can see by yourself, close those up the way, otherwise you'll be focusing on that. You've got quite a, well, out of sight, out of mind sort of moulding there, whereas on the other side, which you see, it's all crisp and pipes and things. However, you don't get the, there's nothing underneath there, see, because on the other kits, there's a gas bottle, I believe, under there, which isn't moulded, so it's an older moulding, if that's not hard to say, older moulding, but the nice crisp recessed panel lines otherwise, and extra detail than you used to get in the old days. So it's not brand new, but it's also not bad at all really, if you want a Hurricane. The main problem I've got with this kit, which I'll show you now, get it done, save time. If you look at the stringers in the back, they're more like corrugated sheets, like it's more like a Junkers 52 than a Hawker Hurricane. It's the such a, you see with the light, it's very much like a corrugated sheet. Now what it should be is flat stringers with middle gaps in between, as per the photographs I found on the internet. So what I've done, everything, the modeler finds a problem, he finds a solution, doesn't he, or she? And what I've done, started doing, is with this one, if I can get it into focus, go on, I've sanded and scraped the, oh, that's the word, what do you call them, the curved bits, the, well, the prominent parts, shall we say. So, use this old receipt buyer. You've got the, on the original part there, it's sort of up and down like that, you know, a nice little sine wave. And what I've basically done is trying to file that down, so you've got that sort of, that's what I'm aiming at, see, that's as it was, and I'm trying to flatten it down but leaving some detail in between each section, so we got like slats down the side, yeah, right on inside the fuselage. So that's what I'm doing. I've used a combination of a sander, which is just a nail file, and the side of the blade, just a scrape on the side. It's gone blunt, so it's not any danger of when you're poking that side, but it's, you scrape it that way, you'll be alright. Especially for the detail around the doghouse or top of the fuselage. So I go from that to that, which is a bit better, and just keep the detail. That's you're going to just be careful when you're doing it. That's all I'd say. So it's recoverable, whatever faults you may think. Also with this kit, you've got some parts here, I think, are to do with the wheels or the propeller. Separated. I don't know if that's supposed to be there, the paper, but you've got glass parts, clear parts for the wing lights, with a little knobbly bit, a little hole in the middle, so you can paint that silver like I do with Airfix kits, and get an impression of a bulb obviously paint the back black and the little dot of silver in the middle. There's some fine detail on the one piece canopy, and also with this edition got some decent decals. You got 3 different options, I think, there. Quite good, fairly good quality decals, and then not too strange shades like you get sometimes with manufacturers, and some die cut masking for the canopy. I can quite see that, and the wheels. So that's added value we got with this Hobby 2000 kit. I think it's Hobby 2000, yeah. Not much of a build really, not very complicated. Just put the middle in the fuselage and the 3-part wings. Very standard kit. I'm not sure where they've gone to the extent of having a separate engine compartment, but that'll come to light perhaps as I'm building it. And you've got an extra support strut there for the wheels, which is a bit more than usual. At least it's a different design to the FX one anyway. And yeah, usual, put it all together, very simple. But if you do buy one, you've got all these options. Look, 3 options from the Polish squadron, including the British commander of the squadron, Mr. Kent. And I won't try and pronounce the other very skillful gentleman who shot down lots of planes. But you got a nice colour call out there for different paint manufacturers. Nice sprue map. So that's the Hobby 2000's Hurricane Mk.Ia, which I recently bought. But as I say, one thing you want to have to do if you buy it is to file down this corrugated sheet and make it look more like a row of stringers underneath some canvas, whatever it's called. Alright, that's all for me. Bye bye.